Hey, let me show you how you can connect your Nothing phone to A with your Windows PC. In this video, I am actually using Windows 11 laptop, the HP laptop, but it works the same for any other brand and also for the Windows 10. So first of all, you have to actually prepare the cable. In my case, I'm gonna use old cable from my Huawei phone. The USB-C port, I'm gonna plug into my Nothing phone to A. I mean the USB-C input actually. The port is in the smartphone. There we go. And now this second end of the cable, I have to plug into my PC. So the USB port is actually located on the left side. Yeah, it's just right here. So I have to plug it just here. There we go. And now what I've got this information on my Nothing phone about the USB debugging. So I have to just open it, click on the USB debugging. And now I have to actually scroll down and I have to turn on the USB debugging in the developer options. But if for some reason you don't have this function enabled, you have to go into this settings on your Nothing phone to A. You have to scroll down, go to the About phone. And now you have to go into the Nothing screen and keep tapping on the build number until you enable the developer options. After this, just go back from this one, open the system, open the developer options, and from here scroll down to the USB debugging and click on this icon. There we go. And now we've got this connection, we are connected, and from this we can see that information that we are charging this device with USB port. But also we can click here and get, for example, this information, file transfer. There we go. So now I'm gonna put the Nothing phone a little bit on the left side, and from this, as you can see, I can go into this PC. So I'm gonna open my files. I have to go to this PC, and from here I can find my device. So this is actually the Nothing phone, and from this I can find the internal storage of my Nothing phone. And if I want to transfer something from my Nothing phone to my PC, I can quickly do this by opening, for example, the pictures, and I can for example grab some screenshots. I can like pick this one, click with the right mouse button, then click copy and put it, for example, on my desktop. With the right mouse button I have to click on this icon, and now this screenshot will be visible on my Windows PC. And that's how we can do this with all files. Also we can send them into your Nothing phone, and that's how it looks. Right now please subscribe to my channel.